Assalamoalikum guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to install or enable the extension of GitHub Copilot in the Visual Studio Code. Clear? So as we all know that the importance of GitHub Copilot, because it enables us to code in the Visual Studio Code without that much efforts. Clear? So without waste any time, just go straight to the extension bar here and click on the extension and write here simple GitHub Copilot. Clear? So a window will pop up here and you will see GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. GitHub, this verified version, and the views or the download extension is 2 million. So just click on that and now install. Click on install. So you will see in few seconds, it depends upon the speed of your computer, the GitHub Copilot will be installed. Clear? So let's see what is GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot uses OpenAI codecs to suggest code and entire functions in real time right from your editor. Clear? And trained on billions of lines of public code, GitHub Copilot turns natural language prompts including comments and methods name into coding suggestion according to dozens of languages. Clear? So simple is that it means that whenever you write something like df or sns and then dot, so GitHub Copilot extension enables suggestion that after that you will doing that. Clear? So it enables you to write the code in efficient way. Clear? And the description of GitHub Copilot requires subscription, is free for verified student and maintainer for popular open source project on GitHub. Clear? So now within few minutes it will install. Clear? So now there you see the extension of GitHub Copilot has been installed successfully. Clear? So now you are done and just go ahead and write the code in efficient way without that much of efforts. Clear? So this is all about how to install the extension of GitHub Copilot in the Visual Studio Code. Happy learning. Goodbye. See you next.